instinct is to think, wait. Will I be in danger of cancer if I exploit this? Throw all that negativity and doubt away because this is often completely different. The radiation from the sun is ultraviolet rays, completely different. Ultrasonic rays, on the opposite hand, don't use light and radiation at all. Instead, they use low-frequency sound waves. Now it's time for a fast science lesson. Did you recognize that the energy of a ray is directly proportional to its frequency? An ultraviolet ray is coming from the sun and it's a really high frequency. Since it's a high frequency, it's very high energy. This energy is bad for you and causes mutations in your cells which will cause cancer. But enough about those harmful rays. An ultrasonic ray, on the opposite hand, may be an acoustic wave of very low frequency. Since it's a coffee frequency, it also has very low energy, it's just the proper amount of energy to stimulate the cells inside your body. Sound waves can help me lose weight? Yes. The low-frequency sound waves destroy the fat cells within the body. It liquefies them. This sort of facelift is additionally referred to as ultrasound-assisted liposuction (UAL). It's often used alongside suction-assisted liposuction (SAL). UAL is the commonest sort of aesthetic procedure administered within the US. Ultrasonic rays are specifically targeted towards the bad cells. It's due to the chemical structure that they answer the sound waves specifically. The sound waves create tiny holes within the fat cells. This weakens them and causes them to liquefy. The contents are often reused for energy or eliminated from the body. This prevents any nearby good tissues, muscles or organs from getting affected. Fat cells have a totally different structure from the remainder of the great cells within the body. Ultrasonic rays don't harm the nerves surrounding the fat cells. It only targets fat cells. It's very precise. Ultrasonic rays can thus help shape and tone uneven areas of the body, especially cellulite. Cellulite is simply bad fat that provides the skin a really loose, saggy and uneven look. It especially affects women. It collects under their thighs and legs. The rays help obviate stubborn fibrous fat or rolls of fat that form under the legs. Ultrasonic rays are wont to restore the elasticity of the skin by activating the cells under the skin. It gives it that fresh young look that seems to disappear with age. Ultrasonic rays accelerate fat consumption when brought in touch with the skin. This results in skin contraction, removing wrinkles and unevenness. So, they're especially useful for toning the skin and giving it a healthy glow. Ultrasonic rays can cause a targeted fat reduction in areas where fat is the hardest to obviate, just like the face, chin, belly, thighs, buttocks, and back. It's great to get rid of bulging fat from targeted areas on your body. It are often used on the face to offer it a pleasant shape. It gives firmness to the skin and this helps keep the wrinkles in restraint. How is it done? Ultrasonic-assisted liposuction is usually utilized in place of suction-assisted liposuction. SAL is extremely harsh on the body. It's not precise. UAL can structure for the restrictions of SAL by being more focused and straightforward for the patient to undergo. Ultrasonic rays are often applied to the body in some ways. Ultrasound procedures are administered in inexpensive sessions at a clinic. Using the handheld massager, you'll get an equivalent treatment from the comfort of your home. The handy-to-use massagers are often wont to target any part of the body. You don't get to spend any money on spa appointments for these treatments. Is it safe? At a doctor's office, ultrasonic therapy is employed in conjunction with RF radio frequency and fascia vacuum therapy. It's an FDA-approved non-invasive procedure. The hand massagers replicate an equivalent therapy. Ultrasonic wave therapy isn't intended for fat loss in obese individuals. It cannot replace diet and exercise and other lifestyle changes for weight loss. Instead, it's used for getting obviate hard to get rid of local fat deposits within the body. Please have the proper expectations before using the massager for this procedure. For certain people, there could be some redness of the skin and nausea related to the treatment. This is often normal. If you're sensitive to ultrasonic rays, then don't use this system. There are not any permanent side effects of this system. So it doesn't hurt to undertake it out. It is vital to remain hydrated before and after the procedure. You're advised to refrain from alcohol once you use the procedure. Make certain to get rid of any metal ornaments from the body before using the massager. You're also advised to not take blood-thinning medications while you're using this method. It is recommended that you simply perform moderate exercises when using this procedure to stay the blood flow getting to the parts of the body that were suffering from surgery. That way the danger of blood clots developing is reduced. You'll also wear compression garments if there's any swelling within the areas affected. It has the quickest recovery time of all the moment fat loss procedures. The danger is minimal.